Hey everybody, how's it going? It's been a while since I've been on, so I just thought I'd do a quick recording. I'm currently flying my Diatone F4 4-inch I guess freestyle quad, and I have a brand new Insta360 One RS on this drone. It's this is my first time flying it out, but for the most part it's handling really well. This is just straight out from the box, brand new, and decided to just slap it on the drone and fly it. It is kind of heavy. I'm kind of disappointed about the, I guess, the stability on it, but mainly because this is out of camera. I really do like the post-processing in the Insta360 studio, but I guess I have to save for a different flight for that. Right off the bat, you need to actually start the camera with saying that you're going to do it in post, because nowhere in the software it says that I can re-post process the data. But for the most part, it's relatively clean. I wanted it to be smoother. The Diatone F4 handles wind as if it's like a 5-inch. I think the rockiness is just me not flying this guy in a while. It does like to rip really fast. It's a very fast drone. I just wanted to take out the One RS on the drone to see how footage would be, just to see stability right out the bat. And I think I'm gonna have to take another flight with the post stabilization, with the stabilization off, so I can post process later and see. But anyway, this is the flight that came out. Hopefully you guys have a great day. If you guys haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, you guys fly safe, be safe. See you guys next time. Bye.